Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's a late night here tonight. It is 11 o'clock and I have got to put together an Ikea desk. Got myself some coffee. Gonna drink this up and let's go put a desk together. Good coffee. Let's go get that desk. So my wife is moving into my man cave here, and we gotta clean some of the stuff up first. We got some diapers here, getting ready for the twins. Got more diapers over here. So I'm just gonna get some of this stuff cleaned up. This is the desk that I gotta put together. We'll show you how to put together an Ikea desk. There's two boxes. I think I'm gonna open the light one first. A knife will probably help this process. Alright, we got a knife. Let's get to it. I don't recommend opening packages with a knife, especially from Ikea. Alright, time to do the big box. So there is a piece of cardboard in the end of this box that does help the knife. Alright, so this was a pretty big undertaking. Let's see how far we get. So we're gonna follow this manual now and put some of this stuff together. Looks like the first step's pretty easy. We're gonna build two of these little square shelves. Alright, step one, done. We gotta grab these guys. The side that has two holes, that's the top, because one of these probably holds the top of the desk down. I gotta get a screwdriver. Had one. Gotta get a smaller one. Two down, two more to go. Okay, step 4 complete. Got those in. Step 5. Now we got to build a box. Step 7, done. Sorry. Step 6, done. Cardboard action going on here to protect the pool table. And we're just gonna put in 4 of these screws. Step 7. All right. So we got step 10 done. We got step 11 done. Time for step 12. Requires a hammer. I have to try and be as quiet as possible because everybody upstairs is sleeping. Gotta go get a hammer too. So the key to Ikea furniture is usually these pieces of cardboard that nobody really likes. They actually hold the whole desk together. So time to put these on. Step 17, complete. Alright, I think the rest of this I have to put together on the floor. Okay, so the desk is done. This corner in the basement where the dartboard is about to become Natalie's new office. I used to be a keyboard player. I think I gotta find a new spot for the pool cues. Gotta take that down. Okay, so the Ikea desk is all finished up here. Natalie can now move her office downstairs and she can play darts if she wants to. So she's taken over the man cave and we can get working on finishing up Claire's room so that she can move over and we can use the nursery for the twins. So lots of work, lots of movement, but we've got it done. And we're gonna get Natalie down here soon. All right, hit that like button below if you like what you saw today. Definitely subscribe to our channel to see more, and take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.